it's me KristinCena. Welcome to my channel, and for today's video, I'm barefaced again because we are gonna be doing Cena. It's actually nighttime here, that's why I've decided to put on mask. And for today, for tonight, we're gonna be trying out this Garnier Skin Active. I don't know how you pronounce it. Is it Garnier or Garnier? But I've heard a lot of people say it Garnier. This is their Fresh Mix Tissue Mask. They call it Fresh Mix because, as you can see, it's like divided into two. So this one here is the mask, and the bottom part is the serum, which is the vitamin C. As of this moment, my skin is so dry because I have just put on clay mask. Usually before I put on sheet mask on my face, I prefer it that I put on clay mask first, because I just feel like it's more absorbed. It's like I feel like my skin is so clean and ready to get whatever that is in the mask, you know. I'm having lots of breakout, but I'm gonna be tackling about that in the future. As of now, I'm confused what is causing this one. It's probably because hormonal, but it's usually not like this. That's why I thought it is. I mean, when I have pimples, usually not a pimple with a pus. I don't know if it's a makeup, I don't know if it's a skincare that I'm using right now, so we'll tackle about that in the future. But for now, we'll be using this vitamin C. If you're new here, I'm actually doing a mask with Cena. So in this series, I am trying out mask, and we'll see if it's really worth it. And I'm pretty sure you have seen this all over in your groceries, in the drugstore, pretty much everywhere. So I am thinking that's the reason why you are watching this video right now, to see if it's worth the almost $7. So we'll see about that. I'm just interested that this is my first time to try out a freshly mixed face mask. So what we're gonna be doing, this face mask right here, and then we're gonna be pushing all this serum all the way in to this area right here. But first, let me just read a little bit about this mask. It has a revolutionary algae dry tissue with high absorbing properties, a dose of vitamin C that is freshly preserved until mixed with the tissue for maximum efficacy. I'm trying my best. You can see it. Oh no, we have to break in. Ah, we did it. All the serum, all the essence that's from here is now transferred to the mask area, mask zone. And now let's just try to mix it in there. Let the mask absorb the serum. So the mask is on, and the time now is 11:12, and we'll leave this for 15 minutes. It's actually sitting well. It's just a normal mask. I don't know what they call it, like a jelly-like tissue mask or something. And this is what I don't like usually in most face masks, because they just put a really small hole for the lips. So probably I just have a big lips or something, but yeah, that's what I don't like about most of face sheet mask. Hey guys, it's almost 15 minutes, and I would like to take this chance to read the claims of this mask before I discover what's really been happening, what's the result after 15 minutes. So it actually says that 61 women after one single use, the skin looks refreshed. Skin is intensely hydrated, and skin looks brighter and glowing. After 3 applications in 1 week, their skin looks more radiant and luminous. skin looks energized, complexion looks even and fresh. So that's a claim, and we'll see about that after taking this off. The excess essence here, please do not use it like, I mean, it's not advisable to use it the next day. So maybe after now or after you've used it, you can put it all over your body and that, not on the next morning or after a few hours, because vitamin C is just delicate, as I've said. It's gonna be probably irritate your skin after. By the way, guys, next mask at Cena, we'll be trying out this Neutrogena Youthful Boost. So if you wanna see that, please come back to my channel. So now let's remove this mask. It has a fresh fragrance, a little bit citrusy, and actually it looks a little bit yellow. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but right here it's the yellowish serum from that. Now let me just, and even my neck, guys, is having a breakout. Like, seriously, I've never had this before, like not on my neck. Guys, I've already let it dry for a bit, and now it's time for the final conclusion on this product. So I can say that when the face mask was still on my face, it really is so hydrating. It doesn't feel sticky at all or something like that. But right now, it is sticky. And you know me, I mean, if you've been watching my videos, you know I don't like sticky products. I just like it hydrating, and just I feel like it's absorbed really deeply into my skin. But this one is like, I don't know if you could see it. I do feel that my skin feels hydrated, but I don't feel like it's so refreshed just because of this feeling. You know, when you say refresh, I can really, what's in my mind is just like fresh water and like cool water, something like that, but not like this. And I don't feel so glowy after. I'm not one of the 61 women. I don't feel like my skin is maybe glowy because of a little bit, probably the oiliness, something of the serum, so that's why they feel like they look glowy. Let me just try to put on my usual moisturizer, and we'll see about that, what happens. By the way, my moisturizer is this oil-free ultra moisturizing lotion by CosRX. I'm going to measure my skin's elasticity, moisture, and oil. So my skin right now is 47% that has water and 21% oil, like the oil on my face. And it's like a happy face, so that means it's good. But I wouldn't blame all the hydration and all the moist from my face for that, because I actually put the moisturizer already. And this one is oil free, so this one's not gonna affect that much when it comes to the result for the oil. And I think the reason why I feel so sticky right now, it's because this, I was looking at the ingredients and it says here, it has hydrogenated castor oil. I really think that's the thing that really made this sticky, which would make me give this product a 5 out of 10. I'm not a fan of sticky face mask, not at all. I don't feel that my skin feels that refreshed. If you're looking for a vitamin C, you don't want to buy those bottles that are very expensive, and you want to use it on, you know, really occasionally, then this would be another option for you. But for me personally, in my own experience with this product, I won't recommend it for you if you don't like sticky things. And I actually wiped off the neck part, my neck, with a tissue, with a wet tissue, because it's just too sticky when I did do this. So now wasn't much of a positive review for this, so at least we all know now. At least I know I wouldn't have to buy it again. It's not my favorite. That completes this video. Thank you so much guys for watching my quick review for this Garnier Fresh Mix tissue mask, and please don't forget to subscribe this video if this helped you, and also like and comment the next mask you'd like me to try on. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.